Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Holly Hill local and long distance movers near me. On moving day, our experienced Holly Hill local TM movers will arrive at your doorstep fully prepared and equipped to handle the task. From packing and loading to transportation and unloading, we'll take care of every detail with utmost care. What sets us apart is our intimate knowledge of Holly Hill's streets. As locals, we're well versed in the city's layout, including the best routes, traffic patterns, and parking situations. This familiarity enables us to navigate efficiently, ensuring a smooth and timely move for you. For long-distance moves, we understand that additional planning and coordination are necessary. Our Holly Hill Long Distance 3 Movers team will work closely with you to create a detailed moving plan, considering factors like distance, logistics, and special requirements. We'll ensure your belongings are carefully packed, secured, and loaded onto our well-maintained trucks. During transportation, we prioritize the safety of your items. Our trained professionals handle your possessions with the utmost care, using proper techniques and equipment to prevent damage. Additionally, we provide the best pricing options tailored to your budgetary needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Holly Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving,